Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm so excited. I just got 2 boxes in. One is FABFITFUN and the other is my Boxy Premium. First up, FABFITFUN. I haven't even opened it. Here it is. I think I've gotten a big one like this before, but I love these boxes to storage stuff in there. But this is the summer edition FABFITFUN. If you want to see what I got in here, then stay tuned. So again guys, this is the FABFITFUN. I haven't opened it, totally sealed, so let's crack it open. I already forgot like all the selections, but let's get into it. So this is what it looks like. How pretty. We have a pretty girl here on the front of our pamphlet. And if you are new to FABFITFUN, it is $49.99 every season. So summer, winter, spring, and fall. And you get a catalog with all the items that are in here. Also, if you sign up annually, I know you save some money and you get to customize more. I do get to pick 3 out of all of the selections, so I am pretty happy with that. The pamphlet tells you what's inside the box, and it also tells you which customization number you have. So I'm going to open the paper and then just start pulling out things, give you total values, and I will leave the total value at the end of the video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, join our family channel, and stay tuned because we have so many giveaways, so many videos. So I've been with FABFITFUN for years, and I always look forward to this box. Look at how jam-packed it is. I love it. And this box was 6.8 pounds if anybody was interested. I did look that. Let's see. I'm just gonna pull whatever I see first. So I see this pretty package here. And this is the Terre Mere right here. And it is aloe and tea tree toner. Reveal your best skin. Yet as the aloe and tea tree combo soothes skin and sloughs away dead skin cells, it is $54. Wow. Oh, what a beautiful box. Look at that. And it says anti-aging, 5 ounces, 150 ml. So this is super full size. It is cruelty free and vegan. Looks like, oh wow, definitely well packaged. And within all this bubble wrap is a beautiful glass bottle. Wow, let's smell. It has a very light scent. And I have so many toners already that I'm loving and trying out. But this is beautiful. So let's put that there. So this was 4A on the customization, and we are going into customization 1, which is this Yumi Kim wireless charger pad. This I did actually customize because when I went in there wasn't much left to pick from. So this is a wireless charging pad with a USB cord. Value is $35. Next up is Tarocco foot cream, Sicilian blood oranges, and that is FABFITFUN. They picked that for me. So this is $24. It is a combination of menthol and olive oil to help heal, hydrate your feet. Awesome. 75 ml, 2.5 fluid ounces, and I'm sure it smells amazing. Let's see. There's some tape on there. Yeah, there's no seal. Oh wow, that smells so good. It smells just like oranges. Another customization that I did pick and it is the Tom's sunglasses. Let's just pull these out, and they do have a green tint. I don't know if it can show. These oversized and slightly cat eye frames make for the classic shape to add to your collection. These are so nice. You have a little side brim here, and it says "Give Sight" on the top. Let's go ahead and, oh yeah, everything's green, very green. These are so cool. And then next I see is looks like a makeup sponge. It has a silicone pad on one side. I am not going to open this because I already have some of these, but I probably will put it in a giveaway. Let me give you retail value on this little sponge. It is $20. And next, this thing was already open here. I don't want you to think anything. This is the Lifestyle Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray in the scent Fresh. And this is $42. Reset and refresh your skin by spritzing this soothing aloe, mint, and lavender mixture. And I'm just checking to see. It does very light. It has a very light scent. Made in the USA, 125 mLs. So what does it say? Shake gently before use and spray onto face or desired area of the body. Okay, nice. This little package here. It is Riddle Oil Original Roll-On, $50. Wow. And it is a question mark. Expiration 2021. This perfume mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent that is unique to you. So it doesn't have a scent. It mixes with your body chemistry. Wow. This is very nice. Let's just check. Oh, I like it actually. It's very light, but so clean. It's 8 mLs and it's made in the US, Venice, California to be exact. This is kind of cool. And this was one of my other customizations. Business and Pleasure Co. cooler bag. This premium cooler bag keeps food and drinks cold and crisp. Retails for $59. Things, like I said, I'll leave the price total value at the bottom. So to sum up, we got a beach mist, the Riddle perfume, this cooler bag, Tarocco foot cream, the charger pad, the silicone and latex free makeup sponge, the Terre Mer toner, and the Tom sunglasses. Overall, I think a great box for $49. I love FABFITFUN, so I'm never gonna stop subscribing. Let me know what you guys think. I know we're in the middle of June now. If you're interested in signing up for FABFITFUN, I'll leave the link in the description. I know they give like $10 off your first box. Plus, I do think I have some starter boxes, and if I do, I will give those away. I believe I have 5. So we'll see how that goes. If anybody wants one, comment down below and I will make sure I send you a link with your email address down there. So let me know what you guys think. You like this box? What did you like out of my box? If you got FABFITFUN, what did you like in your box? Let me know. Leave it down below. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, and stay safe, guys.